Hello students, in this lecture we will learn algebra with inequalities. What is the basic idea behind inequalities? There are many symbols which are used for inequalities. For example, A is less than B, X is greater than Y, C is less than or equal to D, Z is greater than or equal to W. All these symbols are used for inequalities. X is less than 3, X plus 5 is less than or equal to 7, 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 8. All these are called linear inequations. In general, how we define linear inequation, that can be written as ax plus b is less than 0, ax plus b is less than or equal to 0, ax plus b is greater than 0, and ax plus b is greater than or equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a is non-zero. Now, what is replacement set and solution set of an inequation? Replacement set is the set from which values of the variable involved in the inequation are chosen. That is called replacement set. What will be the solution set? Solution set is a subset of replacement set. A solution set to an inequation is a number chosen from replacement set which, when substituted for the variable, makes the equation true. The set of all solutions of an inequation is called the solution set of the inequation. Take the example of this inequation x is less than 4. This is the case of replacement set. What will be the solution set? 1, 2, 3. Because only 1, 2 and 3 are the numbers from the replacement set which satisfies this inequation. Again, for the case of minus 5 and 10, what will be the solution set? Solution set will be only minus 5 because minus 5 is less than 4. 10 is not less than 4. 10 is greater than 4. Now again in this example, what will be the solution set from this replacement set for the inequation x is less than 4? There is no number which satisfies x is less than 4 because all these numbers are greater than 4. So, solution set depends upon replacement set. Now, what is the inequality on the real number line? We have seen that there are many numbers, infinitely many numbers on the real number line. How they look on the real number line? That is, for example, 2 is less than 3.3. That is, 2 is on the left side of 3.3. So, it is less than 3.3. Minus 10.5 is also less than 3.3 because on the real number line, it is on the left side of the 3.3. So, for any number x is less than y, x must be to the left of y on the real number line. 3.3 is greater than 2 means 3.3 is to the right of 2 on the real number line. So in general, what we say, A is less than B if and only if B is greater than A. X is less than Y if and only if Y is greater than X. Now, what is the algebra behind equalities? 5 is equal to 5. If we add 4 on both sides, we will get 9 is equal to 9, which is correct. So, a general rule will be If A is equal to B and we add some number, then we will get A plus C is equal to B plus C. Again, we take up the example, that is x plus 3 is equal to 10. If we subtract 3 on both sides, what we get? X is equal to 7. Similarly, with multiplication also, if we multiply a number on both sides, we will get the answer. In this case, 4 is equal to 4. If we multiply both sides by 2, we will get 8 is equal to 8, which is correct. So the general rule will be, if A, B and C are numbers and C is non-zero and A is equal to B, then what we will get on multiplying both sides by C, that is C dot A is equal to C dot B. Now, what is the algebra behind inequalities? For example, 4 is less than 7. If we add 2 on both sides, what we will get? 6 is less than 9, which is always correct. In another example, if we take 4 is less than 7, we subtract 1 from both sides, what we will get? 3 is less than 6, which is again correct. So, the general rule will be, if A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. Now, how we depict this inequality on number line? X plus 3 is less than 10. What we have done? Subtracted 3 from both sides. We have got x is less than 7. Now, how we depict this on number line? That is, all those x which are less than 7. That is, there are infinitely many numbers which are on the left side of 7. So x belongs to minus infinity to 7, which is an open interval. 7 is not included in this case because here x is not equal to 7. X is less than 7. So 7 is not included. X belongs to minus infinity to 7. That is the open interval. Test the cases with multiplication also. For example, 5 is less than 8. If we multiply both sides by 3, what we will get? 15 is less than 40, which is correct. Now, what will be the case if we multiply both sides by a negative number? 5 is less than 7, that is 5. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, what we will get? Minus 5 is less than minus 8. Is it true? No. Minus 8 is less than minus 5 because minus 8 is on the left side of minus 5. So, the general rule will be, if A is less than B and if C is any number which is greater than 0 and we multiply both sides by C, what we will get? A dot C is less than B dot C. If C is a negative number, then what we will get on multiplication by C? A dot C is greater than B dot C. So that is the case with algebra with inequalities. Thank you.